Tesla. He got me fucking hard. I should have been in first gear. Damn it. This thing is nutty fast, man.
I jumped in.
It's alright.
You wanna go again?
Yeah, yeah. You beep it. On the third beep, go. Can you beep it?
Sure.
Okay.
Ready?
No chance in hell. Your power band is just way sooner than mine, man. Yeah. Yeah. Not a chance in hell. Not a fucking chance. Holy shit in Toledo. Yeah, man, I got no chance in hell. I mean, it's just a 600, but I mean, I think a 1000 would have trouble with that. For just that instant power, there's just no way. No way.
They almost make 900 foot-pounds of torque.
Right, like that.
At zero.
Yeah, at zero.
Yeah.
That's nuts, man.
That's fun. Nice bike.
Thank you.
It looks awesome. I love the red.
I'll probably bore you out, man, but I have a channel called Breaking Moto.
Breaking Moto?
Yeah, I'll put it up on there. I'll bore all your stuff out.
That's cool. Thanks.
Thank you. Damn. It's just, there's no way in hell you're going to be able to catch one of those. It's just not feasible. Holy shit, that thing is fast. God almighty. Jesus. I mean, maybe I would have a chance starting out at like 100. But even then, I don't know. I was kind of starting to match where he was accelerating at after about 100 miles an hour. But otherwise, he was absolutely gone. There was, there was no chance at all. Jeez. That is some insane power from that car. Those Teslas, man, they're nuts. Guy was cool as hell too.